Hey guys, this is the roof of our apartment Airbnb in Tangier. I wanted to show you the amazing view that we have from here. Amazing, it's breathtaking, but don't take my word for it. Okay, so this is from the rooftop. This is the old church. It's not functional today. This church hosts women, abused women, and that have nowhere to go, and they teach them different skills so they can maybe find a job later and be more independent, and they give them a safe place for them and their children. You can probably hear the children. Yeah, so it's not a church anymore, but it's still functioning very much as a church should function, helping the poor and the weak and those that need defending. And this building itself is the building of the old synagogue, Moshe Nahon, which is, for me, this is very extremely special. And being Israeli and being Jewish, of course, and living in the same building of the synagogue is quite extraordinary. I'm not a religious man in any way, shape or form, but it is a bit, I don't know, supernatural, mysterious. What are the odds that out of this whole city, Tangier, that out of this whole city, me, an Israeli, would get by chance an apartment on Airbnb, which is in the same building as the synagogue. The synagogue is right underneath. You can't see it from here because you have different patios and terraces, but this is the building. When you come to Tangier, to the old synagogue, you'll come to this building. And I think that's just incredible. The odds are 0 to none, very low. And yet, here I am. And we had a great stay in this apartment. It's a beautiful apartment. And again, I brought you up here for the view, not for a story about me. So here's a panoramic view once again. Today is our last day here in Tangier, and tomorrow we're going back home. For those of you that have followed us throughout our trip in Tangier, before that Valencia, Barcelona, we hope you've enjoyed everything you've seen as much as we did, and we hope you'll keep following us because we do have a lot more adventures in plan. We don't know where yet, we don't know when yet, we don't know how yet, but we know that they're going to come. Anyway, thank you for following us, thank you for watching us, and please comment again in any language that you like. We have Google Translator, we can translate what you're writing, and we'll try and write back in the same language that you wrote. If it's a bit off, that's because of Google Translator. Yeah. And subscribe, of course, and if you know people that like this type of videos, recommend us. That will be very nice. Okay guys, we'll go back downstairs so you can see a little bit of the apartment. Natalie and the baby are now sleeping, so we'll do it quietly. The host of this apartment, his name is Issam. We haven't met him, but he sounds on the phone like a very nice guy. Here's a bit of the street underneath us. This is the old Medina, full of shops and bazaars and different things. Okay, so this is always open. You don't need a key or anything. And we'll show you a little bit of the apartment itself. This is us. So, the usual Airbnb. We have the toilet. We have the kitchen. Sleeping quarters, number 1. Bedroom number 2. It's quite big. I have to take my word for it. Living room. TV, internet, everything. And besides the roof, you have this terrace here, which is the private terrace. It's also quite big, and you also have a nice view, even though from the roof the view is much nicer. I'll give you a little panoramic view so you see the size of this terrace. It's big. Oh, sorry for the clothes. We're leaving tomorrow and we're drying everything as fast as we can, so we have everything ready to pack and go. Our flight leaves 7:30 in the morning, which means we have to wake up around 5 to get ready, take everything, grab a taxi, half an hour drive to the airport, and reach the airport at least 1 hour before. We'll do it, and we'll be home by 10 tomorrow, 10 in the morning tomorrow. Okay guys, so again, thank you for watching us. Hope you enjoyed this. If there's anything you want to know, any questions, put them in the comments. We will answer. So we'll see you later. Bye.